How to make hair fertilizer at home. So this remedy, I made it at home. It's very amazing the way it's work, and your hair get very elasticity you need, and also your edges. If you're struggling to grow your edges, this remedy is going to be helping you. It's very simple to make and then very inexpensive. You can find all the ingredients almost everywhere, and as you can see, I'm applying very generous amount. That is because tomorrow is my wash day, and I'm going to be applying very good generous amount and then leave it overnight and wash it tomorrow. The reason I'm applying that much is because, as I said, it's my washing day tomorrow, so I leave it overnight. Make sure you focus on your edges and also on your scalp. Give, if it's not 10 minutes, 3-minute massage for your scalp to see the result. So you can apply it very small amount and leave it to your scalp in your protective hairstyle as long as you please. There is 90, you don't have to add any preservative or anything. Everything is oil. So I'm going to show you step by step how I made this one. It smells good, and with that being said, as you see, I be really generous. That is not because I made at home and I have a lot of it. Of course, I'm going to be using this bottle for the next 6 to 8 weeks, but as I said, because of my washing day, I put very good generous amount, and I'm not going to use any deep conditioner tomorrow when I wash my hair. So that is why I just applied that much, and then I'm gonna wrap it and leave it overnight. And also you can apply as you go to your edges every day. Just tap it on the teeth brush, if you have all teeth brush, or by one, just like this, and then leave a bit amount. If you always almost keep your hair out like this, I just apply like this, very small amount. Don't look at the fact I'm applying a lot, because I'm not gonna keep it this time for long. That is why I apply so much. So you just have to tap it and then do it. So let's make this remedy. Is very simple. First of all, you need one aloe vera leaf. Make sure you clean it, all the poison your aloe vera, otherwise it's going to be irritated, because this remedy is going to be living in. So as you can see, I just cut my aloe vera and then let it for 15 minutes to the poison come out. After the poison come out, and put in the water, still there is poison, and I leave it 15 minutes. And then after that, this is the result. Even with tissue, there is nothing, and all clean as you can see. And then chop it, and then we're going to be blending. Next ingredient is fresh peppermint. Dry it, your fresh peppermint, and then chop it and put it together. As you see, I put 1 glass of extra virgin olive oil, and then after I blend it, I forgot to catch it in here, I added 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and then just keep on high flame until it get all the liquid is absorbed, and then you see the oil. As you can see, there is still liquid, so I'm going to keep it on fire, low heat, for the next 5 minutes until this one completely disappear, and then you're going to next step. So after 5 minutes, I kept it. This is how it look like. Disappear all the liquid, which is pure green and beautiful oil we have here. So we're gonna transfer to here and put good 5 tablespoons of Vaseline, which is you find anywhere, and then 4 tablespoons of coconut oil. As I said, I put 2 tablespoons before while it's with the aloe vera gel, and then now I just added 2 tablespoons, and then we're going to go blend it with the blender, or as you can see with the mixer. It's better mixer to use. And then we add vitamin E, and essential oil is absolutely optional, because it got peppermint. It doesn't smell bad, it smells really good. So yeah, very simple and straightforward, guys. So I hope this remedy was helpful. thank you very much for watching this video. If you think this video was helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and you will never going to miss any free tips like this coming from me. With that being said, stay safe until next time.